Hello everyone, it's me Nina and welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to draw eyelashes. I noticed that some of you are having trouble drawing lashes and I decided to make a tutorial to help you out. Take a few hard and soft pencils and let's begin. I already drew the eye and the last step is to draw the eyelashes. But first, I want you to understand a few things about eyelashes. Number 1. Eyelashes have a curve, they are thicker at the root and pointy at the ends. On the right side you can see how not to draw the eyelashes, and the left side is the correct one. Try to draw a few strokes to practice. It's a movement in the wrist. If you feel you are having problems with drawing it in one stroke, don't worry, take a hard pencil, for example H, and draw the lash lightly and then follow the guideline using a darker pencil. Number 2. The eyelashes don't grow in a straight line. They actually grow in several rows, usually in 2 or 3, sometimes even in 4. My lash maker compares lashes to the shark's teeth, and I must say he has a point. Number 3. The lashes usually overlap and intersect each other and they form in bundles. A lot of people forget about it. You can practice on a piece of paper first to be more confident to draw it on the eye. And number 4. Since the eyelid wraps around a curved object, the eyeball, you need to draw a range of eyelashes at different angles. This is the thing that will make your drawing most realistic. So let's get back to the eye I drew. I'm planning the hair direction first. I use a black pencil for drawing the lashes, but if you don't have it, use a soft graphite one. Be sure that your pencil is sharp because we need realistic and sharp lashes, right? And I'm trying to group the lashes, drawing them in several rows. Well, basically I'm doing everything I've talked about before. And I decided to add some random lashes to make the drawing look more alive, more realistic. Keep in mind that lower lashes are much thinner and therefore lighter than the upper ones. Once I'm satisfied with the amount of lashes I drew, I'm shading areas of the skin behind the top lashes and the area of the skin below the bottom lashes. I'm using a flat makeup brush. So that's it. If you enjoyed this tutorial, hit the like button, subscribe to see more, and draw together with your friends. Did you find this lesson helpful? Let me know which tips helped you the most. I'd love to know. Bye!